Okay, so the first thing you have to do is, so go into your website. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so go into your website. So your website is, yeah, whatever is your website, my website, your website, everyone's is same. Okay,
Yeah.
so I go into my website first. So you got a bill handy? Have you got any bills with you?
I have sent the bills to Sandeep bhai.
Okay, so Sandeep, you have the bills front and back. Sorry.
email it. But there, bhai, bhai.
हजुर
त्यो PDF copy नै छैन त्यहाँ. PDF भनेको
That's
त्यो
okay.
डाउनलोड
So have you got the front and back of the bills?
I think maybe.
Maybe.
Let's see.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So let me show you anyway what to do. Okay. So the first thing you do is you go into your website and then you just click on compare plans, energy and
Yeah.
compare plans. And then you put the postcode. Say for example, 2150.
Yeah.
So we say Parramatta, whatever it might be. Yeah. Kellyville Ridge. And then residential, click on residential. You're doing comparison for electricity and gas, and then press next. Okay. So once this is done, if you know, obviously you will know the address, you put the address. If you don't know the address, that's okay. Skip this question. Then automatically it comes like that. Okay. So then you know exactly 20% and 15%. So anyone in Parramatta, they get 20% if they go on direct debit, 15% if they don't go on direct debit. Okay. Right. So this is the way you do it. And then if someone asks you for rates, you have to click on this link, the plus button. Electricity rates, okay, 79, 19.8 cents, 86.9. So gas rates, it's actually here. So usually if someone says, okay, what do we get? So what I would actually do is I'll just take a screenshot and then I just say, okay, if you become my customer, so these are the offers we have and these are the rates we have. We just take a screenshot, we just actually send them by Facebook or WhatsApp, like that. Make sense?
No.
So this is the first way, but however we want
Okay, I'll send you. Can you give me your
email
Gmail
address.
ID? Just
Yeah,
give
yeah,
me. I'll send one bill. Just try with this one.
okay.
Just a second. Doesn't know my lesson. Sanjit bhai.
Can you see my email? I have sent you the email on the Zoom chat. You know the chat.
Sanjit bhai.
You're on mute, Sanjay.
Hello, हजुर.
Can you forward that bill?
Rahul,
That
I'll send already. Just have a look. Email.
To my email?
Yeah.
When? I didn't get it.
I think so. After, later, 1 hour ago.
No.
Maybe another email address. Which one email address? I'll check it here.
That's okay. You don't need to send me. Just actually share your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I have shared the screen as well, and I have opened that website in my laptop.
Yeah, that's okay.
And okay, let's start like this way.
Yeah.
I'll show you. No, this is not the bill. Sanjay, I have sent you the mail, I think. Yeah?
So PDF. That's okay. अगर पीछे चाहिए हमको. Oh yeah, I got it. I got Sandeep Dai's email.
Okay, then you can show me.
No, there is nothing here. So pay view.
These are front and back both, I think.
No. They did not have the PDF. Okay. Let me try. Now, because that does not have the bill. Let me show you with the bills because I'll share my screen in a second.
Okay.
Okay, so let me share. Okay. See here. So it's the bill, but there is no bill. It is, that's what they just received. They just received.
Yeah, and the top one, that's the amount.
Yeah, but the amount, but if you click on view your bill, it won't open up because it's not there. So there should be a PDF. Like for example, I'll just take, I think I've got a bill yesterday. I'll tell you why. See this one? Okay, so this is one of my customer who sent it yesterday. Okay, see the bill. So the first thing, very important, why we ask you for front and back. So what is this bill? It's a gas bill. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do the comparison of this bill. I think there is not much saving, but still it's almost same, but we can do the comparison anyway. I'll try to get some bills and I'll show you anyway. Okay. So what is the, okay.
Like we open the website, after that, where are we gonna go?
Yeah, we need to go. Yeah. You have to click on energy, services, energy.
Services, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Services, and
Share your screen and show me
after that, energy.
what you're doing. I'll show you. Share your screen, share your screen.
Like I'm doing on the laptop.
Oh, you're doing on laptop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I can show you my back cam. No, I can't show the back camera.
Yeah, if you're on laptop, you should get on Zoom on laptop. That's okay. That's okay. So you're on laptop. Okay, let me show you my screen. So you
I'll
went.
follow you anyways. Okay. Yeah.
Sorry?
You start showing on the video, I'll follow.
Okay. That's okay. All right. Okay, let me show you from start. Okay, I'll just close this one. So I'll start from. So you go onto your website. Okay.
Can you record this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you go onto the website first, go on
Yeah.
to services. So you want to sign up electricity for home. So go on to residential, you click on energy.
Yeah.
Okay. After you click on energy, then this page open up.
Yeah.
Then you have to click on compare plans, the blue button.
Okay.
Okay. When you click on the blue button, the website will open up.
Okay.
Okay. So then you put the postcode. So depending upon which bill you're comparing, for example, in this case, I'm doing 2144. Okay. That is a postcode. So I go here and I put 2144. Okay. So it's Auburn.
Yeah.
And then automatically, so it's a home. And I'm comparing gas bill only because I only have gas bill. So I press next.
What you did over there?
Sorry?
What you did over there? Like you put the postcode and after that?
Yeah, when you push, yeah, so you put postcode, then you just automatically it open up. Then what is the property type? You click on residential.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
And then afterwards, which bill are you going to compare? Electricity or gas?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, tick those boxes and then press next.
Okay.
And then you have to put the address of the property.
Okay.
Okay. So see here, the address of the property is 1/13 Alice Street, Auburn. So I just go here. I just put in 1/13 Alice Street. Yeah, that one. And then you press next.
Okay.
Okay. Then it is saying calculating your quote based on your requirements. Okay, success. Now this page open up. Okay. Now what you do is very simple. So now why we always say that you need a bill is because we want to know how much the customer actually spent or what is the usage. So if I go into this page, usually Energy Australia AGL Origin, on the first page, nothing will be there. On the second page is actually there, details would be there. So if you go into here, see the gas bill, so you can see So how much is the usage? See here,
Yeah, yeah.
2312.
Okay.
Okay. And then see how many days they have used for 93 days.
Okay.
Okay. I just go here. I click on this box, use my exact usage, and I have to put how much is that? 2312.
12.
I just put, I'm doing 2312. Okay. And 93 days. Okay. And
Yeah.
then I press update. Oh, sorry. Okay. 2312. Sorry, I'm just doing electricity and gas. So 93 days. Okay. Just press update. So when you press update, automatically the rates will come up here. See here, the
Okay.
and then the electricity. So the gas, this one is gas, and this
Yeah.
one is electricity. So it's $59, $119. So
Okay.
if I go back into this bill and compare how much is the customer paid, $119.79. Yeah, our prices is also exactly the same, $119.
Okay.
Okay. In this customer with gas, he could save $70 on his bill. So sorry, with electricity. So then I told them that no problem. So you just actually become a customer. Does it make sense?
Okay. If you want to become a customer, how are you gonna make it up?
Very simple. So this is done. Then the next
Mm.
step is I have to press this button, sign up for this plan.
Yeah.
Okay. And then got it. And thank you. So then the page open up. Automatically the address is there and everything is there. See here, set up account details. And are you moving home? So if somebody is moving into a house like new
Yeah.
property, then we
Yeah.
have to press yes. If somebody is already not moving, but they're changing from Energy Australia to Sumo or AGL to Sumo, then we press no. Okay.
Okay.
Then you press set up account details. Then it asks for the details. Okay. What is the customer name, first name, last name, date of birth, email address, mobile phone number.
Okay.
After we put the mobile phone number of the customer, they
Yeah.
get a 6-digit number, like a verification code.
Okay.
They put that on, they put their email address, press submit. That's it. Finish.
That's it. Okay.
That's it. Well, they have to give one form of ID, driver's license or medical or passport.
Like, where are we gonna put that ID then?
The next one, I'm not going to put it now. See, verify ID. So the best way is when you sign up for your electricity and gas, then you understand. So I can help you when you sign up.
पहिला आफ्नो एउटा यो गरेर ट्राई गर न यो आफू गर त विनेत तिमी
I'm trying to
अनि हामी
find my I'm trying to find my bills because I didn't get a time at the today.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah,
looking
but
for.
one thing I know, because you are a business owner anyway, instead of you pay the bill to Energy Australia, pay to Sumo. Number one, you're going to save money. Number
Yeah.
two, you're going to make money off your bill as well.
Yeah, I know that one. But
ग्यास
I
पनि
just
छ
want
है
to deal
विनेत
with my bills. Like I want to find out my bills. I think I will find it out today.